Before you start these exercises, make sure your workspace is clear, and please read the disclaimer on the Actif North Wales website. This is a short mindfulness session for a quiet space. This session is aimed at helping you cope with stress. Sometimes in work and at home, things don't always go to plan. Here's a few activities to help you feel calmer and cope better with the situation. Let's start. So sitting comfy, maybe you want to open a window just so you can hear what's going on outside. My feet are firmly on the floor and I'm sitting quite comfortably on my chair. We're going to close your eyes. I'm going to take in some nice breaths. When you're ready, join in. Now remember, we all breathe differently, so continue with your deep breaths in your own time. So just to make sure you're going to do a deep breath, I like to place your hands on your abdominals. We're going to take a deep breath in, but I want your hands to move as we inflate and then deflate as you breathe out. So close your eyes. I'd like to feel it. So take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, the stomach should come towards you. Again, hands on the abdominals, nice deep breath in. And then blow out and draw them in. I like to visualize a balloon. So as you breathe in, you're making it bigger. And as you blow out, we're deflating it. So breathe in, inflate, blow out, bring it back in. Same again, keep those hands there. So it's not an easy thing to do. It does take a bit of practice. Keep your eyes closed. Same again. And I just want you to elongate that breath. So I'm going to breathe in for 3 counts and then breathe out for 3. So at your own pace, I'll count up the first one, but you may wish to do it in your own time. So I'm going to go. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, and then blow out. 1, 2, 3. So just look at your pace. So you count it out. Really focus on those hands touching the abdomen, feeling it raise up on out as you breathe in and then blow out, deflate it. Do one more. Good, hands back on your knees. Just going to lower your gaze or drop your head a little bit. Keep the eyes closed. Just want you to concentrate on what you can hear. Think of what's outside. What's the furthest thing away you can hear? Maybe it's the hum of the traffic. It could be people next door talking. It could be the wind in the trees if that window's open. Try and relax those shoulders, elbows and fingers. Again, concentrate on that breathing. What can you hear inside? Is the chair a bit creaky? Or Can you hear your feet moving in your shoes? Maybe you can hear the clock ticking on the wall. If you want to sit, get yourself comfy again, you can. If you want a bit of a stretch, please do. Back to that breathing. What can you feel? Can you feel your hands on your knees? Mine are quite cold. Maybe yours are warm. How does it feel? Can you feel the warm air coming out of those nostrils on your outward breath? Or is there a breeze coming from the window and you can feel it on your skin? Let's concentrate on your body. Can you feel any tension anywhere? If you can, you may want to just stretch out a little. Or you may wish to breathe in. Concentrate on that area. And as you blow out, try and relax the area around it. Just go back to what you can hear. What's in the room? Is anything louder now? Maybe there's a hum of a light somewhere. Or you can really hear that clock ticking. Relax those shoulders down. No tension in your elbows or your hands. You may want to stretch out your toes in your shoes. Tweak that position if you wish. You may want to do a bit of a stretch. At this point, it feels quite nice, especially if you've been sat by your chair for a while. Just going to open your eyes when you're ready. I'm just going to rub your knees with your hands. That was really nice. Hope you felt the same. So left hand on right shoulder, just rubbing that shoulders. So just want to wake you up slowly. Swap over. And both together. Just like you tap your knees with your hands. And maybe your feet as well. Both together. Just to make sure you're completely awake before you move, because we have, lowered the blood pressure, lowered the heart rate. We don't want to get up too quick. Again, a bit of a stretch if you need. But hopefully you feel like you're a bit more relaxed and you're ready to get on with your day.